In the distance, as the fog rolls over the landscape, something extraordinary emerges. It's not just a vehicle, it's an architectural marvel that defies convention, offering a glimpse into the future of mobile luxury. With its fluid, almost alien design, this motorhome looks like it was crafted from the very essence of innovation. The exterior is sculpted with curving lines, glowing seamlessly from end to end, highlighted by a unique illuminated pattern that dances across the vehicle's surface. It's both sleek and powerful, as if the future had been poured into its mold, ready to carry those bold enough to dream beyond the ordinary. The rear of this motorhome boasts a design that blurs the line between machine and living space, merging seamlessly with the sleek front cabin of a powerful semi-truck. With the wheels reflecting the light like jewels, this is not a journey of mere distance, it's a voyage into the future of travel itself. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped by a sense of peace and sophistication. The bedroom, the first stop on this journey, is an intimate space designed to ensure you wake up rested no matter where the road has taken you. A floating bed, its leather base glowing softly with hidden LED lights, dominates the center of the room. The soft ivory bedding contrasts against the dark matte finishes of the walls, creating a cocoon of calm. Hidden storage spaces line the walls, offering both practicality and luxury. The large panoramic windows invite you to look outside, while also offering the perfect setting for an evening of relaxation, perhaps even watching the sunset or gazing at the stars through the clear, open skies. It's a bedroom where you don't just sleep, you experience rest on a whole new level. The dressing area that follows is an extension of the bedroom's calm, sleek aesthetic. Cabinetry surrounds the space, offering ample storage for all your essentials, each drawer and compartment opening effortlessly with the press of a button. Gold handles and soft lighting elevate the design, making every moment spent in this space feel like an indulgence. The backlit mirror invites you to sit and prepare for the day ahead, the lighting carefully chosen to enhance your reflection without being harsh. This isn't just a dressing area, it's a space designed to complement the ease and luxury of your lifestyle. Beyond the dressing area, you step into the kitchen, which continues the theme of modern elegance. Matte finishes meet polished gold accents, creating a sophisticated balance that feels fresh and timeless. The counters are made of polished marble, sleek and cool to the touch, with under-cabinet lighting casting a soft, golden glow. The stove is seamlessly integrated, and the sink is discreetly built into the countertop, maintaining the minimalist aesthetic. There's a subtle but powerful sense of luxury, enhanced by the hidden compartments that keep everything perfectly organized. The dining area, compact yet comfortable, features a small, sleek table surrounded by chairs with ivory upholstery, their clean lines framing the space beautifully. Whether it's a quick breakfast or a gourmet dinner, this kitchen space transforms every meal into a fine dining experience on the go. Just off the kitchen is the lounge area, a space that invites you to unwind and enjoy the journey. Curved seating wraps around the room, covered in plush upholstery that invites you to sink in and relax. The glossy black coffee table, with its reflective surface, anchors the center of the space, while the walls of the lounge are accented with soft lighting that enhances the space's tranquility. Large windows ensure that the view is always part of the experience, no matter the destination. This is more than just a lounge, it's a space designed to make you feel at home, wherever you may be, with the outside world always within reach yet never intrusive. Next comes the office, designed for the modern traveler who values productivity even on the road. The desk is simple but efficient, crafted from matte black materials with gold accents. A sleek, curved digital screen is integrated into the surface, hidden when not in use, allowing you to maintain a minimalist aesthetic without sacrificing functionality. The ergonomic chair provides comfort for long working hours, and the panoramic window ensures that your workspace is always bathed in natural light. Whether you're handling business calls or brainstorming your next big idea, this office is designed to enhance your focus and creativity, making sure your journey is as productive as it is luxurious. The bathroom that follows doesn't simply serve its functional purpose, it is designed to be a personal retreat. The walls are adorned in deep charcoal gray, contrasted by golden accents that shine softly in the ambient lighting. The sink, made of polished black marble, rests beneath a backlit mirror, which enhances the calming effect of the space. The rainfall shower, enclosed in glass, brings the feeling of a high-end spa into the mobile realm, while the wooden paneling on the walls evokes a sense of natural warmth, completing the serene atmosphere. Everything is thoughtfully placed, from the sleek toilet to the subtle lighting that turns this bathroom into a haven of relaxation. Moving forward, you arrive at the mini pool, a feature that truly sets this motorhome apart. The pool is compact but incredibly inviting, designed with smooth curves and accented by golden LED lighting that gently reflects off the water, offering the perfect spot to relax and unwind. The large windows allow you to take in the view as you soak in the warmth, whether it's the golden glow of sunset or the cool night air. The entire space is designed to create a soothing environment where you can truly escape, even when you're miles from home. The gym area is minimal but perfectly equipped, with a treadmill and stationary bike placed neatly along one side. The lighting here is designed to energize, with soft golden strips running along the ceiling to give the space an active, yet calming feel. The large windows let in natural light, ensuring that your workout is as refreshing as it is invigorating. Even on the road, this gym ensures that you can keep up with your fitness routine without compromise. And then, as you step into the cockpit, you feel the power of control in a space that feels just as sleek and futuristic as the rest of the motorhome. The dashboard is smooth and minimalist, with touch-sensitive controls that respond effortlessly to your commands. The steering wheel, finished in soft leather, is designed for maximum comfort, and the wide windshield provides an unobstructed view of the road ahead. The digital display system ensures that you always have the information you need at your fingertips, making driving as intuitive as it is enjoyable. The entire cockpit is designed to put you in complete command of this luxurious journey. Finally, as you step back outside, the full scale of the design becomes evident. This motorhome, though it may look like a futuristic spacecraft, is entirely grounded in the earth, a marriage of cutting-edge technology and classic luxury. Its sculptural form glows with the soft light of evening, creating a serene but commanding presence wherever it travels. Whether you're driving through city streets or vast landscapes, this motorhome becomes a symbol of progress, a statement of what's possible when imagination and engineering come together. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a futuristic lifestyle on wheels. Built with the highest quality materials, from its sleek, glowing exterior to its meticulously crafted interiors, this motorhome pushes the boundaries of what we thought was possible. With advanced electric propulsion, intelligent systems, and sustainable features, it's not just about where you're going, it's about how you get there. This mobile mansion isn't for the average traveler. It's for those who believe in the extraordinary, for those who demand the best, and for those who are ready to embrace the future of luxury living.